That's what I thought too, until you imagined the abacus for your last battle. Last week in Nar, you made me pack snowballs. Me! You've forgotten, I'm a champion. And I'm no ordinary dream creature. No, wait! You can't just rush off like that. You don't know the dream plane like I do. You don't even know where you're going. Brother Quanjo, I seek the location of the Hiran's lair. Other dream creatures respect me for my experience. This is my turf we're on. Thank you. But before we go after the Hiran, there is something I need to do. Wait here and I'll be—
Whoa!
But I was— Wait, the dream plane Hiran is not like the other Hirans! Stop! That's what I was trying to tell you! What you're seeing isn't Gorgrim, it's the dream plane Hiran!
Well, there I am. Conquer the king. King of all the land. Who'd have thought that? But how did I come to this, I hear you say? And who are those strange fellows that surround my throne? I hear you also say. Well, it's a long story. Come closer, and I'll tell you. It all started yesterday. What a day that was. It's what I call a bad fur day. Oh, anyway, look, I'm gonna be a bit late. Well, met up with a couple of the guys and they're off tomorrow to some, I don't know, fight some war somewhere. Anyway, I'll see ya. I think she bought it. Oh, right. Whose round is it? What, again? Okay. Can someone lend me a $5?
To think I would be here to gaze up at the moonlit night sky again. It brings back memories. This place never changes. Oh, it is you. Stand aside and kneel before me. You have interfered enough, Tsukuyomi. I am here because I have matters to tend to with this man. Oh, last time we met, we did not even get a chance to speak. I came here to meet with you. I do not get much opportunity to visit with mortals. Sometimes it is nice to get some fresh air in the outside world. As I thought, be mine. Listen carefully to me. Become my servant. Swear your allegiance to me. Become my servant forever. What would be equitable? That is a fair exchange, I think.
Oh, we will. But, dear friend, if you know it's good for you, you'll tell me where the other two are. You know, your mindless drivel is beginning to bore me. But before I leave, be warned, my green amigo. Because you've been so insolent, I shall return!
Are you savage?
Don't waste your time thinking about trying to defeat me, you old man. Besides, I've changed my mind about our little deal. Tell me where the other two are, or no one is safe. Old man, you surprise me. I thought you were much smarter than that. Yes, I believe you are right. No way. It can't be. The door's open. Well, did you find the village? Oh, so you say. And let me guess, you had to transform to beat the little worm? So then, is he permanently destroyed?
Trash. You bore me. Return to the garbage. Infernal magic! How about this? The flames of purgatory. This is merely will consume you! Part of my strength! Allow me. Show me what you got. Keep up the good work. You're pretty good. Try again. Be quiet. Press on. Your turn. Now then. if I must, farewell. They're all yours. Must I really? You can't escape. Simple. Not so fast. How basic. Shoral, coral, lapis lazuli, emerald, garnet, sapphire, peridot, citrine, amethyst, heliodor, rubellite, tanzanite, malachite, kunzite, orgonite, tophite, celestite, flame? Can you survive? I haven't seen you in action in a while, darling. Oh, finished already? That's no fun. Falling asleep already. But I'm not done yet. That's my man. I just fell in love with you all over again. How about it? My daughter would love you.
Long time no see, my loathsome copy. I am the ultimate overlord. I am real. I shall become the ultimate overlord, ruling as the world's most supreme being. How appropriate to have a robot overlord rule a robot kingdom. I was created for the sole purpose of destroying you. But I can never seem to defeat you. That is why I transform my own body with my own hands. But that was the past. Now you're nothing but a speck of dust to me. See me as I am, no longer afraid of anything. Even the ultimate life form can't stop me. You're all useless now that I've copied all your data. All life form data successfully copied. All living things kneel before your master. It's too late.
It doesn't matter how many of them you defeat, you know. I'm your shadow. You can't even touch me. Looking for me? You're just a nuisance, robot. Dance, my shadows! Dance! 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 I'll make sure you regret this. It seems I underestimated you. You pests! I'll crush you! Drown in darkness! Sink into darkness! I am forever. I am invincible. The day of disaster. Here are my records of this event. This was when Iblis was freed, and his flames were released into the world. And you have this person to blame. Oh, how ironic fate can be. I would never have believed I would be resurrected through your shade. I thank you. What? Did you forget me? I owe much to you. So, decided to void your return ticket now, did you? The answer's yes and no. Perhaps it's better to show you. Yes, that's you. Oh yes, what you gave to me, I now return to you. A one-way ticket to oblivion.
So